Let's explore ways to keep your kidneys functioning optimally. 1. Hydration is key. Your kidneys naturally cleanse your body by filtering waste from your blood. Proper hydration is crucial for kidney function. Aim for the recommended daily fluid intake, roughly 3.7 liters for men and 2.7 liters for women. Water helps flush out waste materials and prevents kidney dysfunction. 2. Foods that support kidney health. Incorporate these kidney-friendly foods into your diet. Grapes contain resveratrol, which may lower kidney inflammation. Cranberries, known for bladder health benefits and reducing urinary tract infections. Lemon, orange, and melon juice. These juices contain citric acid, which helps prevent kidney stone formation. Brown seaweed, studied for its positive effects on the pancreas, kidneys, and liver. 3. Other kidney-boosting tips. Turmeric may reduce urea, prevent kidney inflammation, and aid waste expulsion. Dandelion tea, red clover, goldenrod, juniper, marshmallow root, burdock root, and nettles. These herbs may act as diuretics, helping flush out excess waste. Remember, a well-rounded diet, proper hydration, and mindful food choices contribute to healthy kidneys.